when I started this journey, I didn't think we'd end up this far. I didn't think things would go like this. But I just got one thing I want to tell you real quick. We are the shape of jazz to
They
come.
told me drink to your successes, became an alcoholic 19. The good die young, I lived the blueprint of cracked dreams. Took about 10 years to find pleasure in the simple things. X marks the spot, but I never knew why. I was off X's, pretty people on cocaine was fractions. Hotel charged me 200, we fucked, broke the mattress. 6 months later, I broke your heart too. You tell me I'm yours, but this spliffing enough. Let's keep a blunt, boo, let's keep a crack, nah, let's keep it MDMA. You get fed up on my distance, but with cops I don't play. Love is the law, you judge, I bear witness to its sentence. Escape the heart's asylum, enjoy my last sentence. I think we're better apart, not trying to be caught, not trying to be jailed. Behind these bars with the instrumental, my bail. And if you don't like it, you can suck the Moby Dick of a young Ishmael. Free form flows for you flailing fucks that's frail. I turn a crime scene into poetic detail. I am the flickering sanity of a young black male you can't blackmail. Cause I seen switchblades cut faces while niggas K-fade. Seen them spin, hit the block like a game of Beyblades. The mainstream media hound of pain like a Great Dane. These fucks are Cromwell to the Irish wolf, antipathy to common good. And sometimes I feel like a courtesan to morning wood. This a free meals program giving soul food. I seen fake thugs waving arms like the lines of a polygraph test, just to get chipped by liars that they couldn't detect. The speech impediment of a duct tape tech. If the gun jam, the switch flicks, so say less or say more. Shanique from 212 still laying on the floor. No disrespect, I confess. The intellect been addressed, not disavowed. Never yours to allow. Peep the style could go 100 rounds. Fuck with me, catch a round. Oh shit. Oh, you like how I'm rhyming now. This is the shape of jazz to come. The foolish think it's innately done. Take the plastic sacks and run like Coleman finding gold in New York. The shape of jazz to come. The shape of jazz to come. The shape of jazz to come. I am forever an affirmation of my mother's prayers. They said speak with conviction, so let me say this. I married joy, but cheated on it with sadness. I fathered love, but abandoned it, result of madness. Child of the internet, looking for happiness. I heard bluebirds the reason you catching flies in your mouth. Get it? You the web now, let the pen bleed, let the thoughts feed. Maslow's pyramid co-opted by schemes for human greed. I'm writing sermons to the congregation of your inner child. You looked back at me and said that was nothing profound. Child rebel soldiers at war with poverty. Dead him like fiend rates of 1866. Closed fists hit the wall, then snapped the wrist. Cheeks turned, but now there's blood in the spit. Between cut fingers and squat thumbs, halo effect inscribed on the trigger of your snug gun. We are the shape. We are the shape of jazz to come. We are the shape of jazz to come. I am the shape of jazz to come. On that Coleman, if you can hear me, you gon' fuck with this. Ladies and gentlemen, and those who are neither, I'd like to take a moment of your time to allow a good friend of mine to just serenade you out of this experience. Please give it up for Luke Corrigan!